Why isn't your Chicagoland rental property cash flowing? Hi, I'm Christy Marcordes, one of the owners here at Landmark Property Management in Chicago. If your rental property isn't generating the cash flow you expected, you're not alone. We work with local and out-of-state investors all the time who feel like their property should be making money, but it just isn't. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 most common reasons your Chicagoland property might be underperforming and what you can do to fix it. Okay, let's jump in. Reason number 1, unexpected maintenance costs. Even well-kept buildings in Chicago take a beating, especially in the winter. Frozen pipes, roof leaks, HVAC issues, trust me, we've seen it. If you're not budgeting properly for maintenance, these surprises will eat into your profits fast. The solution is to set aside a reserve fund. We recommend starting with $1,000 minimum, plus 2 to 3% of your annual gross rent for ongoing repairs. At Landmark, we do property inspections, proactive maintenance, and help avoid these surprise costs in the first place. Reason number 2, rent isn't coming in on time. Late or missed rent payments throw off your entire financial plan. Chasing tenants takes time, so inconsistency can kill your cash flow. Solution: automate your rent collection. We use systems that remind tenants and enforce policies, with late fees and clear expectations. If rent is due on the 1st, it shouldn't be paid on the 10th. Reason number 3 is high vacancy rates. This one's simple. If your unit is sitting empty, you're losing money. Maybe your rent is too high, maybe your photos or your marketing aren't doing the property justice, or maybe the place is just outdated and needs some upgrades. A solution is to make sure your rent is competitive. We run local market reports to price it right. Then we use professional marketing, photos, and video tours, as well as listing on multiple platforms to lease the unit fast. Reason number 4 is underperforming market conditions. Sometimes the issue isn't your property, it's the market. Chicago has a strong rental demand overall, but some neighborhoods, due to construction, school changes, or shifting demographics, can dip. The solution is to stay informed. We help investors monitor trends and adjust strategies, whether that means repositioning the property or investing in a different neighborhood altogether. Reason number 5 is poor expense tracking or fee management. It's easy to lose track of expenses, and when you do, it cuts into your returns. Here are a few common ones that we see: hidden fees and management statements, rising insurance premiums, higher than expected property taxes, and utility costs not passed on to tenants. Solution: do an annual financial audit. We provide detailed reporting so owners can see where their money is going and where they can cut costs to improve efficiency. A quick pro tip is to use a rental property calculator. If you're not sure how your property is performing financially, tools like a rental property calculator can help. It factors your purchase price, rent, expenses, and income to calculate your ROI, cash-on-cash return, cap rate, and more. If you need help, we can walk you through it. You can check one out on our website. If your property isn't cash flowing, it's time to take a closer look at your numbers, your rent strategy, and how you're managing the day-to-day. At Landmark Property Management, we help investors across Chicagoland boost their financial performance. From tenant screening, rent collection, to maintenance, marketing, and monthly reporting. Want help getting your property back on track? Visit us on the web at chicagospropertymanagement.com. That's Chicago's with an S, propertymanagement.com, and request your free rental analysis today or give us a call. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe and let us know in your comments what is your biggest cash flow challenge. Thanks for watching. Again, I'm Christy with Landmark Property Management, and I'll see you in the next video.